Let's concentrate on this particular triangle and talk about some more vocabulary words. Basically, this is again what we call a right triangle. A right triangle contains a right angle. The side opposite the right angle is given a special name, the hypotenuse. And then these two other sides of the right triangle, each is called a leg. So leg, leg, hypotenuse. Just remember that special name hypotenuse is given to the side opposite the right angle, and this is a right triangle. We can classify triangles in other ways. Let's look at some other special triangles. This is what we call an equilateral triangle. Now I'm going to use tick mark, hash marks to show you what we mean in an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal length in an equilateral triangle. So I'll denote this by one tick mark on each side length, and then all angles have the same measure. By the way, if all angles have the same measure and the sum of the measures of the angles is 180 degrees, because this is in fact a triangle, what must the measure of each angle be in an equilateral triangle? Each angle must measure 60 degrees because 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. So just a little fact, not only are the angles all the same measure, but they're all 60 degrees in an equilateral triangle. Now what about an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle has two sides of equal length, and this third side is some other length, so I'll use two tick marks there. Also, the side opposite, or excuse me, the angles opposite the equal sides have the same measure. So this angle and this angle opposite the equal sides, those angles have the same measure, and this angle just has some other unknown measure. The sum is still 180 degrees though. And then a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is a triangle where all the sides are different lengths, so I'll place one tick mark there, 2, 3. They're all different lengths, and all the angles are different also, but we'll just leave it like that. So a scalene triangle, all the sides have different lengths. Now let's look at the following about some special quadrilaterals. Remember, a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. A parallelogram is a special